Hi, this is Bill. So on this exercise, I'll be showing you how scheduled reports are done in ServiceNow. And if you've been following along on my playlist on this lesson, so you should have similar data access and so on, right, to be able to be successful in creating this report. So now let's navigate. So it says navigate to reports. So let's do that and go to scheduled reports. So basically, there's quite a few ways of doing it. So this is reports and go to scheduled reports, or you could do scheduled reports straight away. So let's do that. It's another way of doing it. Okay, so now it's shows the hierarchy. So upon drilling down, we don't have any at the moment, and let's click new. And after clicking new, let's copy paste the parameters. Right? So I prefer copy pasting is making sure letter and spaces are basically done the same as expected. So the report is needs IT is something that we have created previously. So if we like put a double asterisk, so let's type in need IT. So we have true. So let's do that. And the email address. So the Guerrilla email address is the one we created previously to be able to send, right? So if you've been following along, I'd like you to go back to that particular email address, right? So let me also make sure that I am on the right, let me copy paste, right, on the right email. So let's go to properties, right? I mean, the email address is being configured correctly. So it should be email properties. All right, so let's have a look. Email properties. And I will put that as a yes. And I'm going to put my personal email for now and save it. So what I did is just this is a test scenario. So all emails will be sent to this particular test email address. Right. So let me do that. Now it's saying that put the email address. So you could put the Guerrilla email if you're using the PDI for it to work, right? So well, in my case, I'll be putting my email, right? So it's run daily, so that's correct. And time is this time there, right? So let's do 2300. Okay. It's quite straightforward, right? The subject. So it's typical email should have a subject, right? And it should have body as well, right? So introductory message. So let's copy that. Okay, paste that here. Okay, so we're almost there. So it says click the additional actions menu and save button. So let's have a look. So there's quite a few ways you could save it there, but I prefer right clicking and save it here. So for me, it's more convenient, right? So now we need to execute, right? Or test the report and making sure it's working as expected, right? So let me do that now. Okay, let's navigate. And on the upper right, you will see execute now. So upon doing that, right, so it should have sent it to my email. So let me double check. And one of the things to do is basically go to the outbox. So let's go to outbox and see if it's something that has gone out. So, or stuck on the outbox. So there's none here. So let's go to system mailboxes or sent, right? So let's see if it's on the sent. And let's put my email there, my test email. And it say has been sent, right? So upon checking, right? So you will see the report there attached, and these are the parameters that we've sent. So let me double check in my email if it's already there. Okay, so it is successful. Let me just change gears and share this with you, making sure that you also see it. All right, so this is the sent. Let me check that I'm making sure that I'm sharing the correct one. Yep, okay, so I'm sharing the correct email. So you will see the attachment here, right? And this is the message that we have created. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next lesson.